It's unmistakable that there's a growing middle class in Ghana. Its manifestations are many. Plush homes, expensive cars, a growing financial market, and so on and so on. However, the newest example of this trend is the emergence of the so-called shopping malls and bazaars. Today we take a look at the premier and truly world-class shopping mall in Ghana, the Accra shopping mall. The petit bourgeoisie are here to stay.
Strategically located beside the Tetekwashi overpass, it sits right at the doorstep of its target market, although ingress and egress is not always easy. The structure, built like a massive sprawling warehouse, houses many avant-garde and swanking retail and service outlets. The list is endless. Inside the mall is a beehive of activity. A mixture of the real shoppers and the window shoppers. The young and the old and the countless people who habitate such places. The central air conditioning, coupled with the unique array of shops and facilities, give the place a microclimate, which is universal to shopping malls all around the world. Prominent amongst the services provided found here are the multinationals, Game, ShopRite, Silverbird, and MTN. There are also some very exciting startups and Ghanaian franchises. The range of goods and services is large. Indeed, the Accra Mall provides a splendid advertising platform. At night, the sprawling complex adds to the aesthetics of the Tetekwashi overpass.